Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a quick Melanita. This machine was brought in because the customer heard a kind of explosive sound, and it was due to overpressure, and then it started tripping the breaker. So what we found is that the pressure gauge had failed, and so we went ahead and replaced that, but along with it, it took out the power relay and the heating element. And so we replaced the relay and the heating element, and now everything is up to pressure, holding, and temperature, and working just fine. So we'll test its features. Started with hot water. Looking good there. Next we'll do some steam. Also looking good. And now we'll pull a shot. Looking good. All right. There you have it. Quick Melanita, holding pressure as it should. Once again, heating and not tripping the breaker. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.